Now I arrived in Cambodia. Hello all my international friends who asked me to film the video and show you about my country Cambodia. So now I arrived home. I'm in the capital city called Phnom Penh. So I will show you around how it look like. And I just want to tell you, if you have planned to visit Cambodia, please make it happen because the people here so friendly and the place so beautiful, especially right now, Cambodia is safe, so it's good to travel. And in this season, everywhere is green and so good to visit. So I will show you around. Let's go and check it out together. So the first thing I want to show you is about like the people come to feed the bird in front of the royal palace. You can see it's just like a magic. It's just like in the movie. The bird just flying around and you see you can play with it, take a good picture with it, and it's so wonderful to be here. Yeah, so let's go and see another place. And do you know what? When I arrive here and come back home, what I like the most is about the people everywhere. You can see people so friendly and talk to you, and especially their slow life. The people enjoy their life. And if you come to Royal Palace, what you can see is about the Khmer architecture. Here is a beautiful temple called Chaya. It's so beautiful, guys. You don't miss it. Don't miss it. I said, don't miss it. And see here how the local people, they sell the souvenir, the toys and on. Guys, now we are in a good spot. I think I should have a picture here. Let's have a picture. Okay, so that's it in front of the Royal Palace, and let's go and check out in another place. Maybe something else to see. So let's go to the Riverside. And also when you walk, you can find a good ice cream here. So today, bong. Cái đây mùi mà. Okay, យកពីរបង So it's only 50 cents. អរគុណបង មិនយកអរគុណបង So this is my favorite ice cream ever that I eat since I was a child until now. Let's have it. So good. You know, when you're far from home and you back to eat what you like. I don't know how to describe this feeling, you know, but it's so good to have this ice cream, and it flashback a lot of memory, and the taste is so good, guys. When you come to Cambodia, don't miss this ice cream. It's only 50 cents and it tastes so good. Okay, let's cross the road, but I want to show you this, guys. Now the sun almost go down and set, but I'm so happy. So let's continue and check out another side. It's a riverside. Let's see, the people sell something out there and the people chilling, walking along the riverside. Here is another side of the road, and you can see the small temple here. It's a place where the people come to ask for blessing. So you can see they sell the flower. So they bring this flower, go inside, and they pray for blessing. So when you come here, I really recommend you to come and see. You know, because come to Cambodia, it's not about seeing the place. You should come to experience the culture, the religious and on, to see how it look like. Maybe we go and check out the riverside. So let's see, because you know, here it's so fresh and relaxing. The people just come and sit here. Let's sit. Come close. So right here, it's so chilling, refreshing. So right here we call Chatumuk River because four rivers crossing each other. It's Upper Mekong, Lower Mekong, Tonle Sap, and also Basak River. So it's four rivers together. Let's go to another place. So when you walk along the river, you will see the boat out there, and it's for renting. It costs around 5,000 real. So don't miss it. It's a good experience ever that you can take a boat and ride along the river. It's so refreshing. You see a lot of people are on the boat. They will ride you around the rivers around 1 hour. So this is one of the activity that you should never miss it. So what I show you is just a little about Phnom Penh, but it's a lot of things to see. And if you look behind me, it's a walk street as well. On the weekend, you can come and experience the culture, the traditional dance, and a lot of local food that you can experience as well. So if you wish to come here, you can come on the weekend. It's gonna be the good idea and good experience ever that you have. So I hope you enjoy this video. Hi, អរគុណបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាដែលបានទស្សនាវីដេអូនេះខ្ញុំធ្វើឡើងដើម្បីចែករំលែកទៅកាន់មិត្តភ័ក្តិបរទេសពីព្រោះនៅពេលដែលខ្ញុំទៅរៀននៅបរទេសមានមិត្តភ័ក្តិមួយចំនួនគាត់និយាយថាថតពីស្រុកខ្មែរឲ្យមើលផងអីផងអញ្ចឹងវីដេអូនេះខ្ញុំគិតថាភាសាអង់គ្លេសខ្ញុំអត់ល្អទេប្រហែលជានិយាយទៅខុសច្រើនសូមកុំប្រកាន់ពីព្រោះនេះគ្រាន់តែជាការចង់ចែករំលែកទៅកាន់មិត្តភ័ក្តិបរទេសផ្សេងទៀតហើយបើសិនមកបងប្អូនចង់ចែករំលែកអំពីទេសចរនៅស្រុកយើងអ្វីដែលខ្ញុំបង្ហាញល្អដើម្បីបង្ហាញទៅបរទេសផ្សេងទៀតបងប្អូនកុំភ្លេចចែករំលែកវីដេអូនេះផងអរគុណបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាបើសិនបើមានគំនិតអីអាច comment នៅខាងក្រោមបានហើយបើសិនបើចូលចិត្តវីដេអូនេះហើយចង់ផ្សព្វផ្សាយអំពីប្រទេសយើងកុំភ្លេចជួយចែករំលែកវីដេអូនេះផងអរគុណដែលបានទស្សនាវីដេអូរបស់ខ្ញុំចន្ទរិទ្ធសូមអរគុណ